Hey guys, it's Josip. So welcome to puzzle number 10. So this is the final puzzle in this whole challenge. And this puzzle is also asking for value and for data. And actually I'm going to show you the solution right away, since the solution to this puzzle is just a matter of simple arithmetic. So it was kind of disappointing for me, especially the 9th and the 10th puzzle, since I didn't learn that much. But I also encourage you just to stick with the video and just check out the solution. So the first, I've kind of written a couple of notes here. So the first thing which is outputted onto the stack is the code size, which in this case will be 1B. So 1B would be 27 in decimal. And then we're outputting the call value, which in our case I've output like 15, which is actually the solution. And then we're using the swap one opcode. So swap one will just swap like the first two items. And then we check greater than. So 1B needs to be greater than F in order for this to work, which in this case is true. So the first obstacle in solving this puzzle is, since code size is 27, we need to have like value which is less than 27, since these two values are swapped, and then we check greater than. Then we're pushing okay, so yeah, this is just pushing 8, and since previously greater than produced 1, this jump E is going to jump to the destination, it's not going to revert. And then we have like the second trick, which is the call data size, which in our case is 3 bytes long. Okay, so you could have used anything here. It doesn't matter, it's just only the size matters, because here we're also pushing like 3, so this is hard coding, swapping these two values, and then we have this modulo operation, which modulo is the same as you would have in any other programming language. Modulo of 3 and 3 is 0, and is 0 check here passes, and you have like 1 outputted onto the stack. So this is actually the second trick in solving this. So your call data size needs to be 3 bytes long, because this is, here you push 3, you swap those two values, you check the modulo, then you check is 0, and that's supposed to produce 1. And then again we have this call value, which is pushing like 15, in this case like F in hexadecimal. And then we're pushing A, then we're adding A and F, and then we get to jump E, which is supposed to jump to this jump destination 19. So the first trick has passed, so this modulo needs to produce like 0, so this needs to be true in order for this 1 to be here for the jump E. The second thing which needs to match is that the call value and this hard-coded A, when they are added together, then they need to produce this 19. A is like 10 in decimal, plus our call value needs to produce 19 or 25. So actually our call value should be 15 in order for this to execute. And then we're just jumping to the jump destination, and this is the solution to the puzzle. Okay, thanks for checking out the 10th puzzle. Thanks for checking out the whole playlist. I really hope you find it useful, and see you in the next videos.